Hello, good morning, it's me again, it's teacher Liza, and today we are going to practice reading CVC words using a slide and a sandbox. Okay, are you ready to learn and study with me? Yes, great job! Okay, before we start learning how to read the CVC words, let us sing first a good morning song. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. Good morning, dear students. Good morning to you and you and you and you and you. Okay, good job. Our first sound is dun 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 ta-dam. It says t t t t t. Okay, the t goes up the slide and down the slide and goes into the sandbox. Okay, our next sound is o. Okay, it goes up the slide and slide, and then there goes final sound is p. It goes up the slide and there the word is top. Okay, this is a top. It's like a little toy where it spins. Good job. Next word. Let's take it. The first sound is slide. The next sound is it goes up and slide. And the final sound is b. It goes up and slide. Perfect. Now let's read the word cob. Okay, what is a cob, teacher Liza? It's a cob of corn. There, you see it? Cob. There is a cob. Next word. It starts with the sound of dun 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 dun. It's the letter S, and the letter S says slide down that slide. And the medial sound is oh. It goes up. Slide. And the final sound is goes up. Slide. And there it goes. Now let's read. It's on, sun. Okay, what is a sun, teacher Liza? A son is a boy child. Okay, that's the son. Son. Do you have a son? Yes. Next is your favorite word, and you always hear this all the time. It's the goes up the slide and go down. Next is the O. 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 Go up the slide. Whee! Final sound is another M. So let's exchange that one. Okay? So there we go. Mom, your mom. Where is your mom? This is my mom. Mom. That's the mom and that's the daughter. Okay. Good. Perfect. Next, let's slide more words over here. Okay, the first sound is L. Where does it go? Go up and slide. L. Next is the O. It goes slide. The L, the O says O. And the final sound is G. 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 Go up the slide. And where does it go? Down. It's the G. 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 So Og. Log. So let's try to look. What is a log, teacher Liza? This is a log from a tree. So log. Log. Very good. Yeah. Next word. What do you think is this next word? It's an animal, teacher Liza. What animal could this be? It starts with the letter F and it goes the slide. Ding, 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 ding. And whee! Good job. And the medial sound O goes up the slide. And slide. Whee! Good job. And the final sound. Go. Whee! And down. There you go. It's ox. Fox. Good job. What is a fox, teacher Liza? A fox is a wild dog. Ox. Fox. This is a red fox, I think. Is it red? Yeah, sort of red fox. Good job. Next one. Teacher Liza, we use this one. My mommy used this one for cooking. What could this be? Let's read. The first sound is P. It goes up the slide. Ding, 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 ding. And slide. Whee! That was fast. P. Next sound, medial sound is O. Yes! And it goes up the side. Ding, 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 ding. And ready? 1, 2, 3. Whee! Slide. O. And the final sound is T. It goes up the slide. Bing, 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 bing. And slide. Whee! T. Now let's read. Pot. Okay, teacher Liza, what is a pot? A pot is used for cooking. Mommy used a pot to cook some soup. So pot. That is a pot for cooking. Yay! Yummy. Good job. Final word is, this seems like a vegetable. What could this be? It starts with the letter parang. And it goes up the slide, do 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 do, and down, wee, good job. Final, a medial sound rather is an oh, 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 oh. It goes up the slide, boom, 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 and slide, wee, oh, oh, oh. And the final sound is a d, d. D, d. It goes up the slide, dong, 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 and slide. Yee! All right, let's read the word. Pod, pod, pod. You see those seeds inside? That's vegetable. It is called a pod. 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 Very good. Great job, you. So those are the words with the medial sound O, and we were able to read them using the slide. Good job. So I hope you learn a little bit or a lot today with Teacher Liza, and I will see you again on our next lesson on the slide. Okay, let's say goodbye. Goodbye song to you. Goodbye to you. Goodbye, dear students. Goodbye to you and you and you and you and you and you and you. Bye bye everyone. See you on our next lesson. Goodbye.